Hello everyone, welcome to Utthanam. My name is Nidhi and our today's topic for this video is days of the week in French. I know there are many resources right now we have through which we can learn days of the week in French. But today I am presenting this video or this topic because I want to let you know a single trick so that you can easily learn days of the week in within a few minutes and you will never forget the name of the name of the French weeks. Okay, so let's start. Okay, days of the week in French. How we would say days of the week in French? It would be les jours de la semaine. Les jours de la semaine. Okay, days of the week is les jours de la semaine. Okay, so first we will learn the days of the week, how we would say days of the week in French, and then we will learn the trick. Okay, so our first word or first day of the week is Monday. Monday. So in French we will say lundi. Lundi. Monday. Lundi. Lundi. Okay. Then the next day is Tuesday. Tuesday. We will say in French Mehdi. 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 Tuesday. Mehdi. Mehdi. Okay. Then our next day is Wednesday. Okay. Wednesday. We will say in French mercredi. Mercredi. Wednesday. Mercredi. Mercredi. Okay. Then our next word is Thursday. Thursday. In French, we would say jeudi. Jeudi. Thursday. Jeudi. Jeudi. Okay. Then our next day is Friday. Friday. We will say Vendredi. 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 Friday. Vendredi. Okay. So our next word is Saturday. Saturday. Okay. So in French we will say samedi. Samedi. Saturday. Samedi. ओके सो आप यहाँ पे देख रहे होंगे कि मंडे टू सैटरडे टिल मंडे टू सैटरडे द ending of the word or ending of the week is di, just like in English also Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the ending is day, just like that the French ending of the week is di. So first trick is this. Then that till Monday to Saturday, the ending is di. Only the ending is different in Sunday. Okay. So our last day is Sunday. Sunday. So in French we will say dimanche. Dimanche. Sunday. Dimanche. Dimanche. Okay, so I told you the first trick. Okay, then we'll talk about the major trick which I have told you in the starting of the video. Okay, so let's learn that trick. Okay, so the trick is the French day of the week name comes from the name of the seven planet of our solar system. We all are familiar about our seven planet of solar system like Sun, Moon, Jupiter, Saturn, like that. So जो फ्रेंच के वर्ड्स हैं हमारे जो फ्रेंच के डेज के नेम्स हैं वो हमारे हमें कहाँ से मिले वो हमें मिले सेवन प्लैनेट्स के नेम से ओके सो विल सी दैट ओके So our first day is Monday, and in French, Monday is lundi. Lundi. Lundi is come from lun. Lun. Okay. So Monday, lundi, moon is the planet, and in English, moon is moon, and in French, moon is called as lun. Moon is called as lun. Okay. So lundi is come from lun. Lundi is come from lun. Okay, only Monday you have to learn little bit, because the moon and the lun, I mean the English word of the moon and French word of the moon is slightly different. So this word you have to take little, little focus, and you have to little learning things apply here. Other than that, you will easily get it, okay, from the name of the planets. Okay, then our next day is Tuesday. Tuesday, we'll say in French mercredi. Mehdi, Mehdi. Okay, so Mehdi is come from Mars. Mars. Okay, so in French, Mars is also called as Mars. Okay, Mars. So Mehdi is come from Mars. Okay, then our next word is Wednesday. Wednesday is Mehdi. Mehdi. Okay, Mehdi is come from Mercury. Mercury. Okay, the English and the French word is almost similar, only the difference is the spelling. In English, the ending of the Mercury is Y, and in French, the ending of the Mercury is E. Okay, and the pronunciation is same. So Mehdi is come from Mercury. Mehdi is come from Mercury. Okay, then our next day is Thursday. Thursday is called Jeudi. Thursday is called Jeudi, and Jeudi is come from Jupiter. And Jupiter. Jupiter and French word of Jupiter and English word of Jupiter is same. So Jupiter is come from Jeudi. Sorry, Jeudi is come from Jupiter. Jeudi is come from Jupiter. Okay. Then our next word is Friday. Friday is Vendredi. Vendredi. And Vendredi is come from Venus. Venus. Okay, so you can see that the Venus, English word of Venus and French word of Venus is similar, only the difference is little spelling. The French spelling of Venus have a E with accent. Okay, so Vendredi is come from Venus. Okay, the next day is Saturday. Saturday is called Samadhi. Samadhi, and Samadhi is come from Saturn. Samadhi is come from Saturn. Okay, the English word of Saturn and French word of Saturn is similar. Only in French word we will add e at the end of the Saturn. Okay, so Samadhi is come from Saturn. Okay, and our last day is Sunday. Sunday is slightly different. Okay, so Sunday will say Dimanche. Dimanche. Okay, and Dimanche is come from sun, or we can say Dimanche is come from soleil. English word of sun is sun, and French word of sun is soleil. Soleil. Okay, the emotions come from soleil. So you need to little emphasis on Monday means lundi, and Sunday means dimanche, which is comes from soleil. This come from soleil, and Mondays come from lun, which means moon. Okay, so there are little emphasis you have to put on Monday and Sunday. Okay, so what you have to do, just take a copy or notebook and write the name of the seven planet and write the name of the week in French. So you will properly connect from the planet name to the week name, and you will easily learn, and trust me, you will never forget. Within 5 minutes you will learn, and you will never forget the name of the week. I hope you'll enjoy, and that's it for today's video. If you like my video, if you enjoy my video, so please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you want to add anything, if you want to learn anything else, please comment, and please press the bell icon so that you can get all the notification, and enjoy learning French. Thank you. Merci. Au revoir. A bientôt.